We are in another Canadian national park.
Yoho
National Park. National Park number 3 for Canada. We're Rich and Robin. Join us on our retirement travel adventures
in our midlife van.
We didn't expect to stop at Yoho National Park on our summer adventure in 2022, but we are so glad we did. It's an amazing place with beautiful Canadian Rocky Mountains, and Emerald Lake was a spectacular spot to stop. But more of Emerald Lake later, after our first stop at a spectacular waterfall. We are in our 3rd Canadian National Park.
Yoho!
Yoho National Park.
Go check out
Takakkaw Falls.
Is that how you say it?
I'm not sure how to say it.
We are at Takakkaw
Falls.
Takakkaw Falls.
These are the 2nd largest falls in Canada. These are the 2nd largest falls in Canada. The what falls, Rich?
Takakkaw. Well. The 4 Steps Fall. Did you know that Takakkaw Falls has 4 steps? The falls first drop over 2 narrow plunges that are hidden within the canyon near the top. The river then cascades down a narrow channel with 2 steps for a total drop of 384 meters, which is like maybe 1,000 feet. That's more than 7 times the height of Niagara Falls.
Let's go see it from another angle, shall we? And not just from the red chairs. Rich, are we getting a little wet?
A little bit, a little misty.
A little misty from the waterfall. Means we're getting closer.
Kind of wetting. It's gonna...
Should have wore our rain jacket. A little wet. You can see the moisture in the air.
That's a lot of mist.
Yeah. We didn't know that Yoho National Park had Canada's 2nd largest waterfall, but we are so glad we found this great little hike to take in the amazing falls.
Robin, we made it.
Made it to the falls. We're getting a little wet, but that's okay.
It's crazy how much water. Now look at the river. There's a creek going through. All down from that waterfall.
That river is flowing. Yoho National Park was nowhere on our radar for our summer visit to Canada. But after seeing some other friends visit the area, we knew we must check it out. We quickly fell in love. Our foldable Oru kayaks have been a great addition to take along in our van. Just looking at the lake, we are in awe of its beauty, surrounded by the beautiful Canadian Rocky Mountains. Where are we, Rich?
We are at Emerald Lake.
And where is that?
That is in Yoho National Park, outside Banff.
In
Canada, eh? We're the Great White North, eh?
it's not very white. We are very glad we had our kayaks, as the canoe rentals at Emerald Lake were $90 an hour. Just sitting on Emerald Lake is calming, with the mountain ranges reflecting on the green-colored waters. This is a must-stop when in the area. We loved visiting Emerald Lake in Yoho National Park. It was one of our favorite spots in Canada. Yoho National Park was a great place to visit. From Emerald Lake to the second tallest waterfall in Canada, we had some great hikes and kayaking in the park. We made one last stop in the park at Natural Bridge. Subscribe and follow along on our next adventure as we visit Lake Louise in Banff National Park. Thanks for watching. Check out our last video where we explored Jasper National Park, took the Sky Tram, and hiked along a beautiful water-filled canyon.